Hi, in this video we're going to talk about taxonomy field type called location. Let's see how you can set a taxonomy type to be location. When you have created a certain taxonomy, to set it to be a location, to act as a location, we need to set field type to be location. Now, on my site under common category, I have country and city location taxonomies, and those are connected. To find more about how to connect to different taxonomies, please watch this video created specially for that. Now, when a user tries to submit an ad, let's add some dummy data. Under the details, where all the other taxonomies are, there will not be location taxonomies. We will have to go to step 4 called address, and there we will find country and the city taxonomies. If we try to add some other, I don't know, states, and set field type to be location, add state New York, and I don't know, Florida, refresh the submission form, fill out the necessary dummy data, and go to the step 4, we will see that we have country, city that is related to a country, and the state field that we created. Thanks for watching.